The digital landscape is rapidly evolving, and artificial intelligence is at its forefront. For students, this isn't just a technological marvel, it's a powerful new avenue for earning income. Understanding how to leverage AI tools can give you a significant edge in today's economy. Think of AI not as a replacement for human effort, but as an incredible productivity multiplier. It automates repetitive tasks, generates ideas, and processes information at speeds impossible for humans alone. This efficiency allows you to take on more projects or deliver higher quality work in less time. AI tools can handle the mundane, freeing you to focus on creativity and strategic thinking. This partnership empowers you to offer services that are both high quality and competitively priced. It's about working smarter, not necessarily harder. One of the most accessible ways to start is through content creation. AI writing tools can help you draft blog posts, social media captions, or even video scripts. They can brainstorm ideas, outline structures, and refine your language for clarity and impact. Beyond text, AI image generators can create unique visuals for marketing materials or digital products. You can design logos, generate illustrations, or produce mood boards quickly. This capability is invaluable for aspiring graphic designers or online entrepreneurs. Consider offering services like blog writing, social media management, or ad copy creation. AI can significantly reduce the time spent on initial drafts, allowing you to focus on editing and client-specific customization. This makes these services more profitable for you. AI excels at processing vast amounts of data. As a student, you can use AI tools to summarize lengthy articles, extract key insights from research papers, or analyze market trends. This skill is highly valuable for businesses needing quick, accurate information. Offer services like market research reports, competitive analysis, or academic paper summaries. AI can sift through data much faster than manual methods, providing a competitive advantage. This allows you to deliver comprehensive results efficiently. Many businesses struggle with repetitive administrative tasks. AI-powered chatbots can handle basic customer service inquiries, freeing up human staff. You can set up and manage these AI solutions for small businesses. Consider offering virtual assistant services enhanced by AI. This could include managing email responses, scheduling appointments, or even generating personalized outreach messages. AI makes these tasks faster and more scalable. For those with a knack for design, AI can assist in generating design concepts, color palettes, and even basic website layouts. It can provide a starting point for creative projects, saving significant time. This is perfect for creating digital products. If you have some coding knowledge, AI tools can help with code generation, debugging, and understanding complex programming concepts. This can accelerate your development projects or allow you to offer coding assistance services. AI acts as a powerful co-pilot. Freelancing is a prime avenue for students using AI. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are excellent places to offer your AI-enhanced services. Create a strong portfolio, showcasing how AI helps you deliver exceptional results. Consider starting a small online business selling digital products. This could be anything from AI-generated ebooks and templates to custom digital art. The low overhead makes this an attractive option for students. You could also offer tutoring or consulting services, teaching others how to effectively use AI tools for their own businesses or studies. As an early adopter, your knowledge is a valuable commodity. First, master prompt engineering. The quality of AI output heavily depends on the clarity and specificity of your prompts. Learning to communicate effectively with AI is a crucial skill. Always combine AI with human oversight and creativity. AI is a tool, not a replacement for critical thinking, ethical judgment, or unique human insights. Your personal touch adds significant value. Focus on a niche where AI can provide a distinct advantage. Specializing allows you to become an expert and attract specific clients. Build a portfolio of your AI-assisted work to demonstrate your capabilities. The world of AI is constantly evolving, presenting endless opportunities for students. Start exploring these tools today, experiment with different applications, and discover how you can leverage AI to build your financial future.